Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to VPS using autossh to keep tunnels alive step by step clearly. To connect to a VPS using autossh, begin by ensuring that you have autossh installed on your local machine. You can install autossh using your package manager. For Ubuntu, run the command sudo apt-get install autossh. For macOS users, use brew install autossh. Once installed, gather the necessary information, your VPS IP address and your SSH username. Open your terminal on the local machine. You will create a new SSH key pair if you haven't done so already. Run SSH keygen TRSAB2048 and follow the prompts. You can press enter to accept the default location and leave the passphrase blank for simplicity. Next, copy your public key to the VPS using the command ssh copy ID username at VPS_IP. Replace username with your actual SSH username and VPS_IP with your VPS's IP address. Log into your VPS to confirm the key was added successfully. Test your SSH connection with the command ssh username at VPS_IP. If successful, proceed to configure autossh. Create a new autossh session by running the command autossh m0fnl local_port remote_host remote_port username at VPS_IP. Replace local_port remote_host and remote_port with your desired values. The M0 option disables monitoring, while F runs autossh in the background. The N option tells autossh not to execute any remote commands. To keep the tunnel alive, you can add the oserveralive interval 60 option to your autossh command. This option sends a keep alive message every 60 seconds. To verify the tunnel is working, use a tool or command to connect to localhost local_port. If everything is configured correctly, you should have a persistent SSH tunnel to your VPS. You can check the autossh process by using the command psaux grep autossh. To terminate the session, find the process ID and use the kill command. With this setup, your tunnel will remain active even if the connection drops. Regularly monitor your tunnels to ensure they are working as expected. Now, you are successfully connected to your VPS using autossh with a persistent tunnel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.